name is Jillian, and this is Jillian Camps, Arizona, and today we're doing it live again. I just filmed the Sawyer bottle testing and filling up and checking the iodine tablets. Right now, I'm about to go to the Grand Canyon, okay? I gotta film two videos. I gotta film this video, which is going to be about my bag checklist, this time for September. I know I did one for my July trip, but I thought I would modify it and let you guys know what I brought for the September trip for Labor Day weekend. We're going to do Rim2Rim2Rim, hopefully. I'll see when I get there. I don't know what to expect. It might be incredibly hot. I might have a lot of energy. I may want to kill myself. I may want to kill my brother. I'm not too sure. You know what I mean? I'm just kidding about like killing myself. Don't do that. Okay. Anyways. So yeah, we're doing it live. So first, I just want to let you know that my brother and I are going hiking the Grand Canyon September 1st through the 4th, 2022. And we are doing Rim2Rim2Rim. So the first day we're hiking down and halfway up to Cottonwood. The second day, all the way to the top, touching the rim, hiking down to get our stuff at Cottonwood, continuing down to the bottom to Phantom Ranch. Third day, hiking to Indian Garden. Fourth day, hiking out and driving home, which is Labor Day. So anyways, I'm calling this my Labor Day weekend trip. So wish me luck. It's supposed to be 110 at the bottom at Phantom Ranch. So it's going to be a little hot, but I think it's doable because Laura and I did this in July, and it actually, I think, was cooler that time because they had just gotten some rain, but still it was hot. It was hot at the bottom. So anyways, today I'm going to give you guys an updated bag checklist. What am I bringing in my bag? How am I packing it, etc. I thought I would just go through it again with you guys one at a time, what I'm bringing, etc. I really hate those videos where they just don't show you like how you pack your bag exactly. I'm seconds away from leaving. This is how I want to pack my bag. I've been like playing around with it a little bit, and then playing around with hiking with it to see which configuration that I like best. And I found that this configuration works best for me, works best for my body. But why do I have something in my eye? But you may find that this bag configuration may not work best for you. You know what I mean? I just want to let you know that I'm going to provide this PDF for free again, the checklist. And I really appreciate it if you can just, interact with this video, comment below, what you like most about the Grand Canyon. Feel free to thumbs up this video. And thank you for subscribing. I'm providing this PDF for free for my subscribers. So I appreciate it if you are subscribed, and enjoy the PDF, use it as your own. That's kind of a base checklist, but then kind of make your own spin on it, Okay, first, I like to cover what's in the outside pockets of my pack. So in this pocket, I usually put my phone, and in this one, I usually put snacks. So this one's currently empty. Obviously, I don't have any snacks. Also, I'm going to be making a separate video of the snacks. You'll see I kind of have a grocery bag with all my snacks kind of shoved in there. But I'll make a different video for snacks that I'm bringing to the Grand Canyon this time, and you'll notice that it's much different. So anyways, the outside of this pack, here's what I keep on this pocket. This goes with my phone. This is just my pepper spray and a whistle, emergency whistle, just in case. So just wanted to show you guys that there. And then also on the outside of the pack, not pictured, which I don't have with me right now, is my sleeping pad, which kind of straps right here to the top, which you've seen in some of the videos and whatnot. It's going to be in the same spot, And then finally, the new addition, I've decided to put the poles on the outside because they're so lightweight. And instead of carrying the heavier piece of the tent, so last time when Laura and I did it, I carried the tent and the rain fly, which is the heaviest piece of the half of the tent. So instead, my brother's carrying that piece, if he wants to feel more of a macho man, whatever. I'm carrying the lighter piece, which are the tent poles, and the rain fly, which is packed in here. So I'm putting the poles, the tent poles, in this stuff sack pocket type of area. And it just works out better. Anyway, so that covers everything in this pocket. You can see this is just a stuff pocket, and I don't have anything else in here. So why don't we cover what's in this pocket? So this bag has two main pockets. It has a front pocket here, and as you can see, it's kind of like separate from the pack. Then it has the main pocket on the bag, and then it has these little side saddles, you know? And a lot of times people put like snacks and whatnot. I prefer to put clothes in here. So all of my clothes are on the side, and I'll just unzip it so you can see, but you know, bring what you want to bring, okay? You know, like at first I was just like, I can get by with just one bra, and then I'm thinking to myself, I'm a sweaty girl, okay? I need a bra per day, and if that's comfortable for me, that's what I'm gonna do. So I brought one bra for each day, a sports bra, you know, so I can be sweaty and whatnot and be happy. And then I brought a crap load of socks, okay? Because we're hiking a ton of miles. So I wanted to show you guys what's in this front pocket first. So why don't we open this up? Whoop, my brush is coming out. Okay, I got my brush kind of shoved in there. I have to figure that out still. Okay, so in this pocket, as you can see here, I have tissues right there, and copies of the backcountry permit, like where we're going, whatnot. You have to carry a couple of these copies. And it also has the food that we're getting at the bottom at Phantom Ranch. So I just have a copy of that, you know, just in case I need that for any reason. And that just kind of goes right here in this pocket. Then next I have, I just have like a face mask. It's still kind of COVID-ish season. So just to be on the safe side, I have a mask, a face mask. And then you'll notice I have a bunch of 2 liters in here. So I have the Platypus 2 liter right here, which is this. And I've done an unboxing of these before, you know, whatnot. So I love these. And I'm bringing 2 of them and a 1 liter. And that's because Cottonwood doesn't have any water at this point where we're staying on the first night. Okay, the other thing that I have shoved in here is, of course, my handy dandy compass. Don't leave home without it. Compass and the map, actually. Where's the map? It's weird. The map, I don't know where that is, actually. It's somewhere around here. Should be shoved in here somewhere, right? Anyways, got my map shoved in here. I also have eyeglass cleaner, you know, for cleaning like my glasses and my my sunglasses and whatnot. So I'm gonna have that. Okay, I gotta set the pack down because it's causing my legs to go numb. Okay, we're just gonna do it from down here. All I'm doing is I'm pulling the bags out, and I'll be showing you what's in here. So the other things that are shoved in here, what else? I have this little thing. It's just like my good luck charm, so I like to bring this along. This belonged to my mother. It says 911 dispatcher. So anyways, I take that with me. And then the only other 2 things are in here. These 2. First of all, this is my first aid kit, quote unquote. I have chapstick in here. Chapstick, you know what that looks like. It's a little pill bottle. Guess what? This has a ton of Advil in it, okay? I like Advil. Really helps. I got this moleskin padding. It's padded moleskin instead of just the regular moleskin. And as you know, I used almost a whole roll of moleskin last time. So I got another roll of moleskin. And I still have my handy dandy knife, my little knife in here for an emergency. As you saw, I've done an unboxing of this. I still carry that. Still the same knife, etc. I have my also good luck charm here, the last piece of the moleskin from last trip that I took to the Grand Canyon. And I have some of these little packets, the triple antibiotic ointment, just in case. And I also have an emergency thermal blanket. This is nice. Can also be used as like a rain fly for my bag, just in case, you know, or it can be used as a rain fly for the tent, you know. Now it's loud, but you know, it'd work in a pinch. A lot of this you've seen before, you know. You're gonna be like, oh, this is like the same video, Jillian. Listen, I'm just trying to show you what I got in my pack. Be very upfront and honest about it. The other thing too, I didn't talk about is I'm switching it up. I'm bringing my good oldie but goodie solar panel, which is going on the front of my bag. And then the other addition to my bag this time I have a whole thing for water filtration. This is my water filtration system, you know what I mean? So let me go ahead and show you what's in it. So this is the Sawyer Squeeze. Very important, especially because there's no water at 1.5 Rest House, 3 Mile Rest House, Manzanita, and Cottonwood campgrounds. So I'm just using extra caution, bringing the Sawyer water filter and all the iodine tablets and stuff, which I'm going to show you. So in this bag, the Sawyer water filter, the bag that we use to squeeze, basically has like everything. It's got the syringe, duct tape, mini roll of duct tape. I put this in it. It's a inline filter, so you can tie this to the Sawyer filter, the mini. You know, this goes on here, and then you can hook your hose up to it. You see what I'm saying? So it can go in line. It's only if you want. I mean, it's not required. And I just have some paracord in case I want to tie it up or do anything like that with it. And then, of course, I have the little cap in case I need an extra cap. Then I have the iodine tablets. You know what I mean? And this is what I was testing downstairs. So this one is the actual iodine tablets, the water germification, germicidal, the water purification germicidal tablets. This one is the PA Plus, and it works great. It neutralizes the flavor of the iodine. Iodine has a strong taste, a strong flavor, and it turns everything yellow. You know, it just dyes it. I don't know if you see, though, because one of my bags got dyed as well. So you can see that here. And then that neutralizes the flavor in the water. And by the way, it's like magic. It makes it taste great and awesome. So anyways, so that's all in this little bag. Let me try and zip this sucker back up now. Other things that I haven't shown yet. Sunglasses case. I think I'm going to take my black one instead. This one's heavier, not as light as my other one. Okay, now we're getting into the meat of the situation here. Covered all the pockets, covered the side pockets. Let's get going. Let's open her up. Okay, now this, all my snacks. Not covering that right now. This, all of my snacks again. It's like my goos and like the water, the Gatorade type of stuff. Anyways, as you can see here, what goes against the back is my Old Navy flip-flops. Very important for a hike. Got all that situated. Then down here at the bottom is my camping gear, my electronics, which I'm going to keep at the bottom. I need to check on this too. Anyways, that's all that's in here. My sandals. So let's cover what I just took out. Okay, toiletries. It's not toiletries. This is toiletries. Toiletry bag. Okay. Let's cover what's in here. Mini powder. Very important. Nice to keep cleansed on the trail. I'm going to put my brush in here, you know. And then in here, I just have cotton pads to wash my face. And like a multivitamin and an extra hair tie. And flossers, in case I want to use those or whatever. Also have some tampons. I'm a girl. Sorry. You never know, okay? You got to be prepared on the trail for multiple things. A tiny lotion, which I don't think I'm going to bring, to be perfectly honest. I'm not going to need lotion on the trail. I'm going to be boiling hot and wish for no lotion. These are the Dude wipes, which I've shown before. It's what I bought, you know. My mini deodorant. This has worked so good on so many trips. Love it. So tiny. Another pocket bag. French lavender scent. Face wash. Also important. This works great for 4 days. Bug bite thing. I should put this in with the emergency kit, but this works good for bug bites. Mini toothpaste. Nail clipper. Also important. You never know when you need that. And a toothbrush. My trusty dusty toothbrush. See? The one that I've literally taken on all of my trips to the Grand Canyon. That's it for the toiletries bag. Okay, last but not least, this is my quote-unquote camp gear. So you can imagine what it's going to have. Guess what? It's got this mummy bag liner that I bought from REI. Very cheap. Mummy bag liner. Great for summer camping, not for winter camping. Mini flashlight, just in case. These work great. They're not very heavy. And guess what? It works in an emergency. But the main one I plan on using, guess what? Is going to be good old trusty, my headlamp. So this is awesome. I love Energizer. Not a sponsor. Could you please sponsor me? That'd be great. Thanks. Also batteries. I have a change of brand new batteries for the Energizer light. And finally, I have my foldable pillow. I'm not going to take it out, but it's the small one, the Thermarest, not the one that they gave me for free. Thank you, Thermarest, again. So I guess maybe this is a little sponsored video. Just kidding. Not a sponsor. Okay. That's it. That goes on the bottom. Okay. Oh, yes. And then my electronics bag. Very important. As you know, I annoyingly ran out of power. So this time, I think I'm going to bring this. This is a 4500 charging pack. So I'm going to bring this little tiny thing. It's perfect. Yeah. It's just it's like a little lipstick thing. It'll give me just like a quick boost if I need it. Other things that I'm bringing. I'm actually going to bring the cable that I traded to that guy. Do you remember when I did that back in July? Here's the cable that I got from trading. My Bear fan, which I still haven't replaced, but whatever. Here's wired headphones. Here is a iPhone charging cable. And guess what? I plan on testing this out to make sure that it works with my solar power charger. You know what I mean? And then this is to charge my solar panel charger and my headphones if and when, I need to. That's it. Thank you so much for joining me on this Jillian Camps Arizona video. Let's go hiking the Grand Canyon. Thank you so much for subscribing and liking. Let me know if you've ever visited the Grand Canyon. Did you like it? Have you ever hiked the Grand Canyon? Tell me what your experience was about by commenting and liking this video below. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you next time. Have a great one. Bye now.